Hello and welcome to my video about the template manager. You took the first step already. This is how to take the entire software to a next level. You see you can enter a name here. You enter the structure for your article here. So you add sections. You can give them a fixed title. You can enter a description here for AI or a prompt. You can define if it's required or optional. And you can tell the AI to use the iteration. If you want to be detailed for the top 5 features, or if you want to create a listicle, for example, you can use this. You can, as I said, enter your prompt here. You have one main prompt for the article here, and if you click here, you have a research prompt. This will be used first, and the result can be used by using this placeholder. And you can use all the other information generated by the software, keywords, custom prompt, etc. as placeholder as well in the prompt here and in the structure here too. You also define a keyword density and a structure if you like. And here you can define a tone as well. And you can, if you click this, will not be one prompt create this article, but for every section a request will be made. So a few ideas how to use this. Can structure a PDF and create your pre-sale account using one of those templates. Or you can define one section as a single article and let the AI generate 3, 5 or 10 articles at once following these guidelines, etc. You can create really long form listicles using this. All written content you ever need can be done with these templates. You also can import templates or export them and use them as bonus. So really try this. This is a great feature you can use to completely create your own content style and your own content you need. So let's take a look at one example. The article is generated. So here is the final result. It looks also very good. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video about the bonus studio.